Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you here today. Today we're diving into a super important topic, how to work effectively with subcontractors on your home remodel or renovation projects. For those who don't know me, I'm Bobby with Net Gain Real Estate. I've been knee-deep in real estate renovations, remodels, and builds for over 30 years now. I absolutely love sharing tips and tricks with fellow homeowners. Whether you're just getting started or already knee-deep in dust and demo, I'm here to help make the process smoother and more successful for you. Let's get started. Working well with contractors and subcontractors can make a world of difference in your home renovation. A good relationship means a smoother project flow, better results, and fewer misunderstandings. When everyone is on the same page, you're more likely to stay on schedule and within your budget. Plus, positive rapport can lead to higher quality work because contractors are more motivated to meet your expectations. Imagine fewer headaches, less stress, and an end result that truly reflects your vision. Trust me, from my 30 years of experience, investing time in building these relationships is absolutely worth it. And because when it goes wrong in working with a contractor, it can go seriously wrong. Choosing the right contractors is crucial for a successful renovation. Start by asking friends and family for a referral. They can provide honest feedback. Also check online reviews to get a broader perspective. Interview at least 3 contractors for each position. This isn't just about getting quotes. It's about finding someone whose experience and previous projects align with your vision. Ask them about their timeline estimates and how they handle unexpected issues. Don't forget to check their credentials. Super important. Verify licenses, insurance, and certifications to ensure they're qualified. Reach out to previous clients to ask about their experiences. This can offer invaluable insights. And remember, pay attention to what previous clients don't say. That's as important as what they do say. And remember, these steps can save you a lot of headaches down the road. Setting clear expectations from the get-go is essential for a smooth project. Start with a detailed contract that outlines everything: the scope of work, costs, timeline, payment schedule. Make sure to specify materials and brands that you want to avoid any unwelcome substitutions. We also generally recommend to work with our clients so that they provide the materials instead of the contractors and avoid any kind of contractor markup that can be up to 15-20% on a cost. That gets a lot of money over the life of a project. Also review any agreement and put into any agreement what the process is if there are disputes or issues arise. Communication is key. Establish a regular check-in schedule, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, to discuss project progress and any concerns. Decide on your preferred communication method, whether it's email, phone, or in-person meetings, to ensure everyone stays in the loop. By having these clear expectations and open lines of communication, you'll be better equipped to handle any bumps in the road and keep your project on track. Managing your project effectively is all about balance. You want to stay involved without being overbearing. I've seen too many people try to micromanage every detail, and that will drive your subcontractors crazy. Regular site visits are a great way to stay updated and know what's going on without micromanaging. Focus on giving constructive feedback and addressing issues diplomatically, and a little appreciation goes a long way. When disputes arise, and they likely will at some point, it's crucial to remain calm and professional. Document everything, every communication, every change, to ensure there's a clear record of what's been agreed upon and what's been going on. Taking pictures of progress and results throughout the process can help as well. If conflicts cannot be resolved amicably, consider mediation or arbitration as options. These can be more efficient and less stressful than legal battles. But by staying engaged and handling issues professionally, you can help ensure your project stays on track and meets your expectations and avoids any kind of issues or confrontations over the life of the project. Now, let's not forget that there are needs that the subcontractors have from you. You have certain expectations and requirements for your subcontractors to create the results you want, but they have expectations as well and needs too. So let's cover these next. They play a vital role in your project, and they need your support to do their best work. First and foremost, make timely decisions. Delays in your choices can cause significant project setbacks. Their time is equally valuable, and frustrated contractors don't deliver their best work. Prompt payments are also crucial. Stick to the agreed payment terms to maintain a good working relationship and ensure the subcontractors stay motivated and committed to your project. And don't go on to another one. We'll pay them sooner. Lastly, show respect and appreciation for their hard work. A positive working environment can make a huge difference in the quality of work you receive. A little gratitude goes a long way in fostering a team spirit that benefits everyone involved. Stopping by and complimenting work well done is a smart move. Bringing lunch, or my personal favorite, homemade cookies, also makes a difference. I had one contractor say to me on one Friday, "Hey, Bobby, you didn't bring cookies this week." I've promised to bring a double batch the following week, so it has an impact. Little things makes a difference. By meeting these needs, you'll create a better collaborative atmosphere that leads to better results for your home remodel along the way. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to take control of your home renovation project, to recap, working effectively with contractors and subcontractors is key to a successful renovation. Start by choosing the right subcontractors through thorough research and interviews. Set clear expectations with detailed contracts and regular communication. Stay involved in the project without micromanaging and handle dispute calmly and professionally. Remember, subcontractors need timely decision, prompt payments, and a respectful work environment. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you achieve your dream home. I'm thrilled to be part of your renovation journey. Check out the information below on how you can save thousands by being your own general contractor. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more expert advice on home renovations and remodeling. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We're here to help you turn your dream home into a reality, one step at a time. Happy renovating!